wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from East to West, I'm Hannah and welcome back to Dream Again. So today we have a special guest coming. It's Germy! Germy told me to bring a toothbrush here and toothpaste. I guess we're going to learn about dental care today. It's important that we take care of our teeth because we need them to eat, right? And I also happen to know that if we don't take care of our teeth, we can get sick. So let's find out what Germy has prepared for us.
Teeth have 3 layers, but we cannot see all of them. The part of a tooth you can see is called the crown. Most of the crown is made of a hard, white material called enamel. Under the enamel are 2 layers, dentin and pulp. The pulp is important because it contains blood vessels, nerves, and roots. Everything inside of the dentin and the pulp keeps your teeth healthy and strong. This is one reason why we cannot see the dentin and the pulp. They are protected by the outside tooth. Now, Hannah, can you tell me what we use our teeth for?
I know. We use them to smile or to chew our food. And I know that sometimes when I eat food, I can get the food stuck in and between my teeth.
And that is why we brush our teeth. We brush our teeth to remove any food or drink sticking to our teeth. And if we do not do this, we could get a cavity. Ha 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 ha!
What's a cavity?
A cavity is a hole in the tooth. And then the tooth isn't protected anymore. That's where I come in. Ha 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 ha!
That means that our dentin and pulp isn't protected. And oh no! When that's not protected, then we don't have strong and healthy teeth.
Exactly. To prevent cavities, we need to brush our teeth 2 times each day. Once in the morning and once before bed. And to get them super clean and make sure that they are all good and healthy, we should visit the dentist 2 times a year. Or every 6 months. Boo, boo, boo. Ha ha ha. Now, why don't we show the kids how to brush your teeth? Can you do that, Hannah?
Okay, I'll do that. So I have here my toothbrush and my toothpaste. First, I apply some toothpaste onto the toothbrush, and then all I do is basically make these small circles like this. So, how long should I be doing this, Germy?
Ha ha ha! Each time when you brush your teeth. So, again, once in the morning and once in the evening. You should brush your teeth for 2 minutes. That seems like a long time, but you can play a song for 2 minutes. Don't you have one ready?
Oh yes, let's listen to the 3 Blind Mice song.
3 blind mice, 3 blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife, who cut off their tails with a carving knife. Did you ever see such a thing in your life as 3 blind mice? Three blind mice, 3 blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife, who caught off their tails with a carving knife. Did you ever see such a thing in your life as 3 blind mice? Three blind mice, 3 blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife, who cut off their tails with a carving knife. Did you ever see such a thing in your life as 3 blind mice? Three blind mice, 3 blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife, who cut off their tails with a carving knife. Did you ever see such a thing in your life as 3 blind mice?
And now my teeth are clean again. Well, I guess I can eat some chips.
No! Oh, yes! Oh, no! Don't do that! You'll have to brush your teeth again.
But I just brushed them though.
It's bedtime, and before bedtime...
We always brush the teeth.
Exactly.
Well, kids, I guess that means I'll have to brush my teeth again. I hope you learned how to brush your teeth, and I'll see your sparkling clean smile next time. Bye!
Ha 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 ha!
I still want to eat some chips.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us. Thanks!